Two free indicators, Bollinger Bands for the range, ADX for the strength. Both are already built into the platform. We start clean. Bollinger Bands goes on the chart first. Period 13, deviation 3. The wide setting is deliberate. A deviation of 3 keeps the band quiet in normal movement. So when price finally reaches the outer edge, it actually means something. Then the second tool, ADX, from the same free oscillator list. It does not tell us direction. It tells us whether the move has any strength behind it. Smoothing goes to 10 and the DI length to 11. First red of the session. Price pushes down and leaves a long lower wick. Then the very next candle comes back green. ADX agrees. The strength line is turning up, so we take the higher side. $50, 1 minute. Now we simply wait. Once the position is open, there is nothing to manage. The expiry does the work. And it closes green. $93.50 back on a $50 position. Next pair, same two tools. Nothing gets changed, and that is the whole point of a fixed setup. Here the candles have run all the way up into the top band and stalled. The band is not a wall, but a stall at the edge with the strength line flat is a reversal warning. So this one goes the other way. Lower side, same 50, same 1 minute. The candles roll over and stay under the middle line. That is the read working. This one comes back green as well. Third read, and this is the honest part of the session. He takes the higher side on a bounce that has not really formed yet. The candles are still falling and ADX has not turned with them. What happens next on screen is the Martingale idea. Two positions opened at once to chase the red one back. These two landing green is the luck of the sequence, not a rule to copy. Back to the plain version of the method. Wait for the band, confirm with ADX, one position at a time. New pair, and the shape is different. A long climb straight into the upper band. The candles are stretched well above the middle line, and the strength line is already high. He reads it as a turn and takes the lower side. The minute runs out with price above the entry. So this one settles at 0.2. Two red in the session, and both of them are still here in the video.